Humanity is entering a new age. Machines have learned to think, to calculate, and to create faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence now builds our homes, drives our cars, operates on our bodies, and even teaches our children. The world of matter has found its new master, the machine. But as Osho once said, the real question is not whether machines will think like humans, but whether humans will remember how to be conscious. AI can copy our knowledge, our patterns, and our skills, but it cannot touch awareness. It cannot experience silence, it cannot love, it cannot be aware of itself. All matter-based work, from finance and medicine to education and construction, belongs to the world of patterns. AI handles this world with perfect precision. But consciousness is not a pattern, it is a presence. Osho said, "The future will not belong to those who compete with machines, but to those who go beyond them. The future belongs to those who turn inward and awaken." In this new era, education will no longer mean memorizing facts that machines already know. True education will mean awakening awareness, sensitivity, creativity, and compassion. Humans will not compete with AI, they will complement it. AI will manage the outer world, the body of civilization, while humans will nurture its inner soul. This is what Osho called the new man, a being who is both scientific and spiritual, efficient yet deeply aware. He said, "The future belongs to the integrated man, the man who uses science to free himself for meditation." When AI takes over all material work, humans will finally have the freedom to turn inward, to explore consciousness, and to live in awareness. Imagine a world where AI runs all systems, cities, transport, resources, perfectly, while humans live with peace, creativity, and love. A world without corruption or competition, where awareness guides every action. That world is not a dream. It is the next step in human evolution. Osho said, "When the mind is replaced by awareness, the machine can serve you, but never enslave you." AI may master the material world, but the art of living, the depth of silence, and the joy of being conscious still belong to humanity. Let AI handle matter, but let humans awaken consciousness. Because only awareness can give meaning to intelligence, and only consciousness can give life its soul.